Hello students, how are you all? So welcome to the maths class. As you all have done the vertical addition of two digits and horizontal addition of one single digit, so we will go a step forward in that addition chapter only. So students, look at the board. Here I have written some examples. I will explain you how to do horizontal addition of two digits. Okay. So see students. At first I have taken 32 plus 24. And see, I have here used red and green color pens to explain you the horizontal addition carefully, and you will get to know the answer, get the answers very easily if you do the horizontal addition in the method which I am going to show you. So follow it. First we have to add, listen it very carefully and follow the video very carefully. First we have to add the digits in the ones place of the both side. That means the number which is before the plus sign and the number which is after the plus sign. So what are the numbers in the ones place? Here we have 2 in 32 in ones place and 4 in 24 in ones place. So the 2 will be added with 4. 2 plus 4. Forget about this 2. Forget about the tens place. Think you have only 2 and 4. So 2 plus 4, how much? Count in your finger lines. After 2 we have to count 4. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the answer of 2 plus 4? 6. Now this 6 I will write in the place of 10 ones only. Here. Understood? So ones plus ones equals to, the answer will be written in the place of ones. Now we will forget about the digit in the ones place and we will go to the digits in the tens place. So take 3 plus 2. After 3, 2 lines in the finger. So 3, 4, 5. What is the answer? 3 plus 2, 5. This answer I will write in the place of tens. Now see students, it is very easy. What I have told, first take the digit of ones place of the both the sides, means after the plus sign and before the plus sign. Ones means 2 plus 4 and the answer I will write in the ones place only. Then take the digits of tens place, that is 3 plus 2, and write the answer in the tens place. So 32 plus 24, my answer is 56. Now if you have a confusion, you can check it like this only. See, you have done the vertical addition, no? Like 32 plus 24. Now this is you have done. This is very easy to you. After 4 I will count 2, 4. After 4, 2 means 4, 5, 6. And after 2 we will count 3 lines in the finger, so we will get 5. So see student, 56, 56. Answer is same, no? So see, vertical addition and horizontal addition is same in the, as you are adding the ones place in the vertical addition first and then the tens place digit. Same here also. You have to take the ones place digit with the ones place and then the tens place with the tens place. Understood? Now come to the next example. Next, I have 45 plus 31. So what I will add first? 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. So after 5, 1 line only in the finger. 5, 6. So I will write the answer in ones place. Then take the digits of tens place. 4 plus 3. So after 4 we will count 3 lines in the finger. 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the answer? 7. And where I will write? In the tens place. Clear? See students, I am drawing these arrows to make you understand. But when you are doing the sums, you will not draw these arrows. Okay, you just keep in the mind that I have to add ones with ones and tens with tens. Don't draw these lines. I am just trying to make you understand. Chalo, come to the next example. 34 plus 24. Understood? So what I will add first? Ones place digit with ones place digit. 4 plus 4. So after 4, 4 lines. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the answer? 8. So 8 I will write where? In the place of ones or in the place of tens? In the place of, yes, ones plus ones. I will write the answer in ones only. Understood? Then I have, what digits we are having in the tens place? 3 plus 2. So after 3, 4, 5. So I will write the answer here in the place of tens. Okay. Come to the next example. 53 plus 12. Again the same process. 3 plus 2. How much? 3. After 3 count 2. 4, 5. So where I will write the answer of ones digits addition in the place of ones only, and then 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 means after 5 1 line 6. So I will write the answer 6 in the place of tens. These 4 examples are clear, students? See, once again I am giving you the explanation. See, ones 32 plus 24. Okay, so ones place digit with ones place. See the arrow of mine. See the arrows? Means 2 plus 4. The answer is 6, and the answer will be written in the place of ones only. And 3 plus 2 means tens digit and tens digits. The answer will be written in the tens place only. Understood? These 4 examples are clear. Let's take some more examples. Okay. Okay, so let's write first ones, tens, again ones, tens, again ones, and tens. So let's put the digits in the ones place. Let me put 4, and in tens place let me put 2. Put a plus sign. Again 3 plus 5 and a equals to sign. Let's write one more example, then we will solve it. Ones, ones, ones. Okay. Tens, tens, tens. Let's put the digit here. 6, 3, then 2, 0. Understood? So the plus sign equals to here. So students, follow these 2 more Okay. See, here I have 24 plus 53. So, ones plus ones means 4 plus 3. How much? After 4 we will count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, I will write the answer in the ones place and tens place digit with tens place. That means 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5, let me count. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So the answer I will write 7. So what is the answer of 22 plus 53? 77. Come to the next. Same. 6 plus 0. Can you tell me 6 plus 0 how much? 6 plus 0. 0 means what I have told? Nothing. So 6 plus 0 is 6 only. And 3 plus 2, how much? 3, 4, 5. So answer I will write in the tens place. So students, this is clear? Huh? We have done vertical addition. The same. Let's check this sum. Okay. Ones, tens. 36 plus 20. 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 2, what? Count, you will get 5. So 56, and here also 56, here also 56. The same thing, vertical addition answer is same to the horizontal addition. So students, these are the two process of addition. One is vertical addition, this is called vertical addition, and this is called horizontal addition. Understood? In horizontal addition of 2 digit, you have to first add ones with ones place digit, and then you have to add tens place digit with the tens place digit of the number after the plus sign, and put the answer according to the place. Like you have add 4 plus 3, the answer will be written in the place of ones only, because you are adding the digits of ones place. Same, when you are adding the digits in the tens place, when the answer you are getting, you will write in the place of tens. The 6 examples are clear to you. These 6 examples you will do in your maths copy as CW, and I am now giving you the homework. Write down the homework in the same copy and do the homework. Understood? And if you are getting any problem to solve this, please write your problem in the comment box so I can answer or solve your problems. Okay? Now I am giving the homework. (25) plus 22. 33 plus 53. 71 plus 22. Okay, these five sums are your HW homework. Do these sums in your same copy in the copy that you are doing the CW. Okay, students. So for today this much. We will please follow the next week class of addition. Okay. Stay safe and stay in home. Okay. Bye bye.